Example 2. We have congruence of shapes question involving circle theorem. So here you need to remember your circle theorem rules to help you really prove that the two triangles are congruent. So AEC and DEB are straight lines. So as you can see, AEC, DEB. Triangle AED, AED is equilateral triangle. So that is equilateral triangle. Prove that ABC, ABC is congruent to DBC. Right. Now, important information we have here is that AED is equilateral triangle. That will help us to really help us with our proofs. So let's see. We do the mark. Let's mark the triangles. Highlight the triangles first. We know that given that this equilateral triangle, 60 degrees for each of the angles. Having known these angles 60 degrees each, we can now begin by saying that this angle here 60 is equal to this angle. Alternate angles in the same segment are equal. These are circle theorem that if you've done the topic you should remember. So angles in the same segment are equal. Also, this is also equal to, because they are also angle in the same segment. Given this as a chord, these angles in the same segment must be equal. We know that if that's 60, this is also 60. And this is 60, 60 as well, makes this also equilateral triangle. That means that this line here is equal to this line here, and it's equal to this line here. So we have another equilateral triangle. It's going to help us with our proof, so just hang on a bit. Then we also know these two angles are equal, though we don't know the value yet or the size yet, but they are also equal. Reason is the same segment angles are equal. Now with these markings that I've done, if you sort of pull the triangles apart, or if you drew your triangles apart and do the markings, you will see something. So you could see this angle is equal to this angle because they have the same marking. They have a common line here, and 60 degrees is also equal to this 60 degrees. So we can say the two triangles are congruent by the condition angle, side, angle. That's how I would like to prove this question using Cicle theorem. So angle, side, angle is the postulate that I'm using to prove that these two triangles are congruent.